Hello everyone, today, I am going to show you a quick and easy way to install the YouTube app on your Windows 11 computer. Whether you are a regular YouTube user or just looking for a more convenient way to access it, this tutorial is for you. Firstly, open up Google Chrome. It is important to use Google Chrome for this process. In the address bar, type youtube.com and hit enter. Once the YouTube page loads, look to the top right corner where you will see 3 dots. Click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Save and Share and then click on Install YouTube. A prompt will appear asking to confirm the installation. Click on Install, and in no time, the YouTube app will be installed on your computer. You will even see a new icon for it right on your desktop. That's it. Now you can easily access YouTube by simply double-clicking the desktop icon. Or you can pin it on your taskbar or in the Start menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.